anytime I take an extended drive or a road trip or anything, I'm generally always needing to use my sun visors. There's a reason they created them, right? And these have worked reasonably well. They do what I need them to do. I can move them around, block the sun from the side, block the sun from the front, but they're not the right sun visors. They don't clip in. And I really didn't care that much for the longest time, and it was not high on my priority list. And that's one of the wonderful things about Christmas. Sometimes you get things that you wouldn't buy for yourself. So here they are. TMI, they've been doing it for a long time. I'm sure that they'll be excellent quality, and I really can't wait to actually use my sun visors properly and not feel like they're gonna crumble into little pieces every time I go to use them. This is one of these critical shots. I want to make sure that I document this well because, I mean, how many people could figure out how to do this for themselves? Pay very close attention so that you don't miss anything at all. I'm turning these screws in a counterclockwise fashion, okay? And they're coming out. And then I pull this out, okay? Now, all kidding aside, there are a couple things worth pointing out about the installation. First of all, they were kind enough to mark left and right. But when I went to install my left visor, this was not lining up. It was kind of way out here. And I thought, man, do I need to pull this out further? No, I needed to pull this out further. So you'll notice on this guy, it hasn't been pulled out yet. And so you just literally just grab and twist it out, get it to the right position. And it does help to kind of have your visor angled thusly. Because, you know, thusly are, you know, kinds of words that I tend to use a lot. That's just the kind of fancy guy that you've chosen to watch. And then once I've got that basically snug, then I can kind of hold the base and twist this out of my way to get the other screw in a little bit easier. It's not rocket surgery, but you know, paying attention and being slightly mechanically inclined can help. And then I'll go ahead and get that guy snug, really good and snug. And here comes the magical moment. Oh my God, this has never been done before in this, you know, since I've owned it. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh, come on, get up in there. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna be all weird. Dude, seriously? Are you gonna be all weird? Are you kidding me? I am not happy right now. Big time fail, are you kidding me? So you could push it in, but you can't clip it in. Man, that's really, really hard. Oh, that is really disappointing. I'm gonna need just a minute here. What are you supposed to do? Shove it over every single time? Oh, now I can, you know, go ahead and get this into position and then slide it in? Are you kidding? No. I was so excited too. I'm gonna have to go weep for a while. Well, I went inside. I bawled for a while. I basically mopped up my tears off the kitchen room floor. I composed myself, and I came back. Clearly these clips are the wrong clips. And I bought them a while ago, and I'm the idiot who kept pushing on the post when they didn't want to go in properly. So, hey, learn from my mistakes. Don't be like me. I guess that's what I'm here for, you know, show you guys what not to do. Maybe occasionally show you what to do. In this case, what not to do. I don't even know what to do about this. It's a real nice visor. Just doesn't clip in. Find the right clips. Buy another one of these. We'll see. It was starting out to be such a great day, too. Oh well, maybe the next project will turn out better. Thanks for joining me.
See you later.
Yes.